Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build a rolling 12-month cash flow view in Monarch Money. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to build a rolling 12-month cash flow view in Monarch Money, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Monarch Money first. So talking about it frankly, Monarch Money does not currently have a built-in automated feature to generate a rolling 12-month cash flow forecast or a specific report designed for this purpose. The app focuses on historical data visualizations and monthly budgeting. So to create a rolling 12-month cash flow view, you could need to export your data and use a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheet to build a custom financial model. So you can use these kind of third-party apps to complete your mission or like your 12-month cash flow view. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.